Hello everyone. Today we are going to check out how to use array modifier to make a circular array. First of all, let's move back our object at x-axis. In this case, it is a cube. When you feel good about its location, right-click on it and set origin to 3D cursor, or you can apply all transformations. Let's add an empty. We are almost done. It is time to add array modifier to our object. Check the object offset box and uncheck other boxes. Then, open up the object offset menu and choose our empty as the object. Now, rotate the empty on Z-axis. Play around with the count in array and rotation of the empty. We are done. Thanks for watching.